Today's the day. New wheels, going on the vet. All right, so we're gonna be swapping out these chrome Gumbies for those gray American Racing Crossfire wheels. So let's get to it. Don't worry, I'm not gonna waste your time by showing you a time lapse of me swapping the wheels out. It's not that interesting anyway. If you really wanna see a video on that though, you can let me know in the comments below. I know why you're really here, and it's to see the wheels. So without further ado, this is my new wheel and tire setup. Like I said in my last video, which I'll link right up here, these are the American Racing AR 924 Crossfires wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. From the outside of the car, the wheels are the big stars. I love the style, the fitment's great, and I think running 19s on all four corners instead of 18s in the front and 19s in the rear gives it a great look. But once you're driving the car, it's a whole nother story. The tires are super quiet and way smoother than the previous Goodyear Eagle F1s I had. And to be fair, the F1s are pretty old, but I've heard from other drivers that even when new, they had the same issues with them. The other thing to mention is that these are not run flats like the F1s were. With that being said, I was never really a fan of run flat tires. I think they compromised way too much dynamic feedback for something that a plug kit and a portable tire pump can fix. Now, if you're in the market for a new set of summer tires, I cannot recommend the PS4Ss enough. I suggest you take a strong look at these as a contender, because right now I couldn't be happier. Hope you enjoyed this little update. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, as I really do appreciate it. Take care, everyone.